So, I mean, I'll be very, very honest with you. Like, I come from a family where my father watches a movie every day. One of those movie buffs. वो पुराने जमाने के फर्स्ट शो देख कर आते थे थिएटर में. I'm talking about the 50s. Now he's been watching, but ever since this pandemic, he's been, consuming content and movies. Itna nahi. So 4 days ago, he watched Sandeep or Pinky Chance anywhere. The day it dropped, and all by himself, and comes and says, "What a fantastic film! What a fantastic narrative!" And then that piqued my interest. And I said, "Chalo, मैं बैठ के देख लेती हूँ." So this is how I got to watching Sandeep Patel.
I wish Varun was here to hear it from you. He would have been very happy.
वो तो मैंने आपको भी बता दिया, मैंने अर्जुन को भी मैसेज किया है. I mean, it's just fantastic.
नहीं, मैं वरुण ग्रोवर राइटर की बात कर रहा हूँ.
I know वरुण ग्रोवर, मुझे पता है. ऐसे मैंने देखा मैसेज everybody, so I just watched it. So we can start. आप खा लो. So on that note, we can start the interview. I want to ask you, 2 साल से ये जेम आपने कहाँ रखा था वैसे? अपने पास?
जी, हमने अपने पास नहीं रखा था. हम एक बार शादी के मंडप पे गए, कोविड आ गया.
ओहो.
वो था 2020 का मार्च. 2020 की मार्च 20 को हमने रिलीज हमारी रिलीज थी. और मार्च के शुरू बीच से किस तरह से मामला दिनों पर दिन एकदम चेंज हो गया और कैसे लॉकडाउन हुआ आज लोग भूल गए. लेकिन अब मैं आपको याद दिलाना चाहता हूँ कि कितनी जल्दी हमारी जिंदगी बदल गई.
जी.
उसके अंदर हमारी रिलीज हमें रोकनी पड़ी. उसके बाद हम सब एक अलग दुनिया में चले गए. फिर लगा कि चलो वापस कुछ नॉर्मल आ रहा है, तो हमने फिर अगले साल 2021 में मार्च में फिर तैयारी की. फिर सेकेंड वेव आया. फिर हमने कहा अब और कुछ नहीं कर सकते, अब जो है सो है. और फिर हम बस वेट कर रहे थे कि कैसे रिएक्ट करेंगे. तो उसके बाद then the OTT release happened, which was always supposed to happen. So that's all we know. तो 2 साल यहाँ रखा. 2 साल कभी सर में, कभी पेट में, कभी कलेजे में, कभी जिगर में, कभी दिल में, कभी कहीं और. हमने काफी जगह इस फिल्म को रख के इसको संवार के रिलीज करने की कोशिश की. 2 बारी, जैसे वरुण ने कहा कि इस फिल्म को 2 बारी कोविड हुआ है और अब आ गया, अभी भी जिंदा है, अभी भी सांस ले रहा है.
But it's amazing. वही मैं आज कहती हूँ ना, जो हमारी क्रिटिक्स की कम्युनिटी कॉम है ना, इतने जेनरस नहीं होते कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स के साथ. वो ऐसे लगता है कि कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स भी कभी कभी ऐसे जाते हैं कि पैसे देने पड़ रहे हैं. Even the most tight-fisted ones haven't stopped talking about the film. I mean, the movie on everyone's वो बोलते हैं ना, जुबान पर है संदीप और पिंकी फरार. आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
मेरे को आपसे सुन के अच्छा लग रहा है, क्योंकि मैं थोड़ा कटा हुआ हूँ. तो और मुझे इंटरनेट की दुनिया से मेरा एक इंटरेस्टिंग सा रिश्ता भी है. मैं उसको ऑब्जर्व करता हूँ लेकिन उसमें घुसता नहीं हूँ. तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि अगर साधारण हम फैमिली वाले लोग अपने फैमिली के लोगों के साथ ये फिल्म देख रहे हैं और इसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं इन अ वे दैट कुछ और बातें हो जाए. तो वो मेरे को अच्छा लग रहा है. उसके आगे मेरे को कुछ नहीं पता. अच्छा बोल रहे हैं तो अच्छा ही है.
It's amazing, and it's just amazing how they are gushing about the film, the narrative, and about Arjun and Parineeti. I'm actually feeling happy for your both actors, because Arjun had said कि internally I knew the film would succeed. He says externally हम सबको डर लग रहा था. So was it your two go-to actors from the start?
Parineeti was the go-to actress from the start, because somehow I saw the film with Parineeti. So her performances, her how shall I put it, that persona that she has, this kind of a persona, she's always like this. So that combative presence, all of that, somehow the idea of the film and Parineeti being Sandy was there in my head. And then I discussed with Aditya, I'm seeing this film with Parineeti, let's see, if things work out. And Arjun, we were discussing 3 actors or something like that, and Arjun was definitely on that list. And Adi had said that, look, if you want somebody who wants to jump out of his absolute comfort zone and do something absolutely alien to whatever he's done so far, this is the guy who will just run the longest and the hardest. That he had said. So then Arjun and I had a chat, and then Arjun stood up to what he had committed to, and one could see that he was very rightly hungry. He was very rightly hungry, very rightly.
And that comes across in his performance. And also your वो है ना, आपकी जब फिल्में आती हैं तो आप you also do make a statement at political social issues, but here it's not just about class or gender. You have made a statement, but it all comes together. How did the story come about? Was it something you had observed, some character you had seen? Because directors or writers भी इधर उधर से तो inspire होते हैं.
I think the core of the characters somehow have come from the background research that I did for Oye Lucky, the background research that to some extent happened on Shanghai as well. So from there, sort of, the idea of a woman who is apparently corporate and successful and very normal. Not one filmy thing can happen to her. What would happen if she and this very real normal cop from the back research of Oye Lucky, and if they were thrown into a situation together where they have these hajar barriers of class and gender between them, but they have to survive. To survive, they have to be with each other. Just to survive, just to be alive, they need to be together and they need to be on a run. So now I know that, I think the typical road movie at its core is actually a buddy movie. One subset of a buddy movie is the love story, where the love between the two characters is sexual. Okay. So the thing is, we took sort of, probably characters who could be sexually together, but we made a buddy film about them. So that's how sort of it kind of came together roughly. Of course, this is all hindsight. This is all hindsight. This is all post-analysis. Because I'm being asked this and because I want to try Kojin, that's why I'm telling you. But this happened over a period of time. It didn't happen like boom. I didn't have an epiphany one day and suddenly it happened. It took some doing. Yeah.
Sequel आ रहा है sir? Ends at a very, it can be a sequel.
यार मेरी पहली पिक्चर तो देख लो यार.
आपकी सब पिक्चर ने देखी हैं सर.
नहीं मैं कह रहा हूँ, मैं संदीप और पिंकी मेरी पहली पिक्चर है. आप पहले मेरी पहली पिक्चर तो देख लो.
ना इसलिए तो पूछ रही हूँ. संदीप ऐसा फ्रैंचाइज बन सकता है सर.
सर फ्रैंचाइज बन सकता है, लेकिन हम जहां से आ रहे हैं वहां से ये जो हो रहा है ये भी हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी चीज है. हमें ये तो एंजॉय करने दो यार.
चलो ठीक है कर लो. वो अभी बस पोस्ट कोविड ये सेकंड वेव खत्म हो जाए, थिंक ऑफ अ सीक्वल बिकॉज़ इट हैज इट इन इट, बिकॉज़ इट एंड्स ऑन दैट वेरी सटल नोट. एंड ये जो ओपन एंड्स होते हैं ना सर, मेरे जैसे व्यूअर को ना बहुत परेशान करते हैं, बिकॉज़ हमारा दिमाग फिर चलता रहता है व्हाट इफ. अरे यार ये मेरे साथ बहुत गड़बड़ होती है. होल नाइट आई कीप थिंकिंग ये नैरेटिव ऐसे होता वैसे होता तो क्या होता.
आप फिल्मों के बारे में अगर ऐसा सोचते हो तो आप लाइफ में कैसे सोचते होगे? मेरे को सोच के ही डर लग रहा है.
सर ओवरथिंकिंग की बहुत प्रॉब्लम है.
तभी मेरा इंटरव्यू ले रहे हो.
So people these days are reading a book called Anxious People. I said, who has written about me? But also on another note, you had a theatrical release. मगर वो चलो कोविड सेकंड वेव हो गया, OTT पे आई. Are you somewhere also feel liberated? ये box office का झमेला चला गया because ये directors, every day your movie is just on the basis of the money it's on. वो कभी-कभी जो movie है that people just forget about what it is, वो पहले उसका verdict निकल जाता है.
देखो सर, मैं 15 साल भुगत चुका हूँ एज अ प्रोड्यूसर डायरेक्टर. तो मुझे एक चीज अपने प्रोड्यूसर डायरेक्टरगिरी से पता चली है, वो ये है कि आपने अगर किसी सिचुएशन का फायदा उठाया ना, तो बाद में सिचुएशन आपका फायदा उठाती है. तो अभी क्योंकि OTT में कोई जानने वाला नहीं है, बॉक्स ऑफिस है, ये तुम इसके चक्कर में अगर हम कुछ भी करके दे दें और अपनी मनमानी करके दे दें, तो फिर हम ओटीटी को वैसे ही बिगाड़ेंगे जैसे हमने थिएट्रिकल बिगाड़ा है। तो एक जो गलती है उसको नहीं दोहराते हैं। हमें पता है, हम सब कहते हैं ना कंटेंट इज किंग एंड दैट्स व्हाट शुड हैपन, बाकी सब भूल जाओ। तो वो अपने आप सिचुएशन आ जाएगी। एंड आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि माय कंटेंट इज किंग, मतलब मैं कसम खा के कह रहा हूँ, कोई भी कंटेंट जो अपने सुर ताल में ठीक करके निकल जाती है, और ऐसे बहुत से हमारे एग्जांपल्स हैं इंडिया के फिल्मों में, लेकिन हम सब यही कहते हैं ना कि एग्जांपल्स कम है, तो फायदा नहीं उठाना चाहिए। दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग। फिर एग्जांपल्स बढ़ जाएंगे अपने आप।
Totally. And also, where do you see this going? Because it's going to equalize industry, do you feel? Because the industry has been through a lot of changes itself in the past year and a half. Do you see with the coming of the OTT wave and these platforms going to equalize the system in the industry?
I really hope they equalize. Because I feel that the most fragrant world for a filmmaker is the coexistence of the theatrical and the OTT experience. Why would you settle for less? Why are we trying to sort of, prefer one over the other? If history has taught us anything, it says that when there are options, the society is a little more just society. So why are we killing options? Keep theatrical alive. Let's make those spectacles. Let's make those summer blockbusters, which are also captivating people through their scale, size, and their content and their story and their depth. Also keep those movies alive for movie buffs who will go to a theater and watch something like Amour, and the distributor of Amour will make money. At the same time, we'll go and watch the Age of the Universe 2015 or whatever, Endgame, Joby, whatever sequel, Marvel Universe thing we'll see. So there's place for both in theatrical and on OTT. I think the societies that are making the best use of their content and making the most money and culturally sort of, really controlling the world, they have seen this truth.
Yep.
They are trying to push everything. They're not trying to sort of, go blindly towards one thing. And they are today Hollywood has come into our market in a way that we never thought would have been possible.
Absolutely.
And it has been happening systematically over the last 20 years, 2 decades. And real patriots protect their country's business.
True. Totally.
And the way to do that is to make the content that can stand up. So that'll happen. I'm sure that'll happen. But if theatrical and OTT survive together, then it'll be very good. It'll be good. It'll make this thing easier, for all directors and producers.
And you're also somebody who's worked with stars, who's also worked with actors. I mean, however the industry might do, it also liberates you from that now, because कभी-कभी होता है ना, ये picture बनाने नहीं, star होगा तो तभी चलेगी. I rather have someone of my choice. Do you think this is also going to balance that out? The star system has been upended now.
I sort of, I'm going to say something that's going to sound controversial. Okay. I feel that when you're watching content and story and all that, you watch it because of the stars. It's because of Ram or Arjun or Krishna or whoever, whichever tale that we want to tell. It's because of the characters that we watch those stories, no? What that character did. So I think we are watching out for stars in that way. So therefore, I think that's why we are saying a world where Nawaz is a star and where Arjun is a star and Shah Rukh is a star. That's the perfect world. So that stardom, various kinds of stardom for various kinds of people, that should be there, I feel. It's just that one kind of stardom shouldn't overtake every other kind of stardom.
Absolutely.
That's all. That's all that's needed.
So आपका favorite scene कौन सा था संदीप और पिंकी में? मेरे को, I'll tell you mine. So you have this Haryanvi cop, who's all macho, but there is that naam uska Pinky hai, and he just shows that whatever, he owns his feminine side, and especially that scene when he helps Sandy, who's just been through a miscarriage. That for me was just like, I kind of, my heart went out to him. Which was your favorite scene in the entire film? अब ये मत बोलना सारे मेरे सीन फेवरेट हैं, बच्चों की तरह हैं.
मैं वो नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. मैं कह रहा हूँ कि सारे मेरे दुश्मन हैं, सब में गलतियां हैं, तो मेरा कोई फेवरेट नहीं है. मैं उल्टा बोल रहा हूँ. तो कोई फेवरेट मेरा नहीं है, कोई फेवरेट मेरा नहीं है. हाँ, I can tell you because those are the scenes that I've shot. So I'm looking at them only technically, no. मेरे पास वो ऑब्जेक्टिविटी
है. सीन आप देख रहे हो, सोच रहे हो मैं ऐसे शूट करता, ऐसा कौन सा सीन है?
याद नहीं आ रहा. कुछ ना कुछ तो निकलेगा ही. कि यार इसको ऐसे नहीं ऐसे शूट करता, तो कुछ ना कुछ तो आ ही जाएगा. तो एनीवेज, so but the scene that I feel most proud about is actually the opening scene, because technically it was quite a sort of scene to do. So we were driving around in Gurgaon. It was one take. It was one camera. It was 3 people who were giving their dialogues, and the car had to overtake Arjun's car at the right moment, at the right dialogue. And we were shooting inside traffic, and it's not easy. So I think
I get that.
so would, or that, because it's shot all the way to that this thing, so that I think the whole team of Sandeep and Pinky Farhar should be sort of, you know, patted on their backs that we did it. We did it in one night, or bach gaye, you know. I didn't have
Awesome. वैसे आप एक ऐसे लग रहा है एक वीरान सी जगह में हो, ये जैसे आप कोई हॉरर फिल्म बना रहे हो सर.
नहीं सर, ये मेरा स्टडी है. मेरे घर में एटिक होती है ना.
Wow.
एटिक होती
You should read in those books, ना?
बुक्स तो कुछ है नहीं खास.
It reminds me of those moments, childhood days, ना, जब आप Sherlock Holmes,
वैसा
Little Women.
हाँ, मिजाज कुछ वैसा है, लेकिन मैं अपने 3-4 स्क्रीन्स लेके काम ही कर रहा हूँ.
वाओ. तो किस पर काम कर रहे हो ये तो बता दो.
मेरी एक नेटफ्लिक्स ओरिजिनल फीचर फिल्म है जो हमने संदीप और पिंकी फरार के बाद बनाई है. वो भी खत्म हो रही है.
एंड जाते जाते ये बता दो आपका सबसे पसंदीदा फिल्म, या one movie that you're most nostalgic, like from a director's point of view, you wish you had made, like a movie that you watched that.
Barry Lyndon, स्टैनली कुब्रिक की Barry Lyndon.
आप भी कुब्रिक फैन हो?
फैन स्टूडेंट, हाँ, क्योंकि फिल्म में एनीवे सब जानते हैं. तो नहीं, मेरे को Barry Lyndon अगर मैं बनाता तो मैं कहता कि मेरी जिंदगी ठीक ठाक ही है.
तो किसको कास्ट करते हैं उसमें?
हाँ जी,
किसको कास्ट करते हैं?
मैं रायन ओनील को ही कास्ट करता. मैं वही Barry Lyndon बनाना चाहता हूँ, लेकिन मैंने I wish I had thought of it and I had made it.
चलो, but anyways, I'm sure some director is going to be saying, wish I had thought of Sandeep और पिंकी फरार. And जाते जाते मैं आपको ये बता दूं, जब आपने ये पिक्चर बनाई थी ना, संदीप और पिंकी, actually thought of a Romeo Juliet scene, because for me Sandeep of course was the boy. पहले जब ये पिक्चर अनाउंस हुई थी, actually सर कुछ रोमियो जूलियट बना रहे हैं, संदीप और पिंकी. जब पता चला संदीप और पिंकी थे कौन, I was like, बस सर मान गए.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Lovely chatting with you. Stay safe, sir.
Pleasure.
Same here, sir. Bye-bye. Bye.